Have you noticed how rare blue is in nature? It's an intriguing question. Blue is one of the most captivating colors. Yet, it's seldom found in plants and animals. First, let's understand why. Most colors in nature come from pigments. Blue pigments are very rare. Many greens and reds are easily created by plants. Next, consider the environment. Blue light is harder to produce. Plants absorb most colors but struggle with blue. Now, think about animals. Birds like the blue jay don't have blue pigments. They reflect light to create that stunning blue hue. An example is the butterfly. The morpho butterfly appears brilliant blue. However, it's due to light reflection through its wing structure. In summary, blue's rarity comes from two factors: limited pigments and light reflection. This uniqueness makes blue even more special in nature. So, next time you're in nature, take note of blue. Explore the story behind its beauty. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.